5 units of good y. I hope all of you have understood. See, now after this and you know that according to this statement, you know that consumer income is limited. Consumer income is limited means rupee 10. Consumer income is limited means rupee 10. Suppose consumer wants to increase. Suppose consumer wants to increase consumption of good Y. Suppose according to this statement, I am explaining. Suppose consumer wants to increase consumption of good Y. Suppose consumer wants to increase consumption of good Y, then he has to decrease consumption of good X. Then he has to decrease consumption of good X, because you know that consumer income is limited. See here. Now first of all you will take combination, then after you will take two goods means I'm taking here good X and I'm taking here good Y. I hope all of you have understood, and you know that according to this statement, good X means rupee 2 each unit, good Y means rupee 2 each unit, and income is limited means rupee 10. See, next you will write money spent. Money spent means income of the consumer. Listen carefully. I'm assuming good Y. I'm assuming here good Y as a gain good, and I'm assuming here good X as a sacrifice. So all of you have understood. It means that I will we can say I'm going to increase the, or we can say consumer is going to increase the consumption of good Y, and consumer is going to decrease the consumption of good X, because his income is limited. You know that. See, suppose combination A, you will take different combination. Suppose you know that consumer can purchase here maximum 5 units, then you will take 6 combination, Suppose consumer can purchase suppose consumer can purchase 6 units. How many units? 6 units. Then you will take 7 combination, seven combination. Suppose consumer can purchase 10 units of, means maximum 10 units. Suppose consumer can purchase maximum 10 units of either good X or good Y, means you will take 11 combination. I hope all of you have understood. See, in my numerical example, consumer can purchase maximum unit means 5 unit. So I am taking here 6 combination. See, according to a combination, see, consumer is purchasing 5 units of good X, and 0 unit of good Y. It means that consumer is spending entire money on good X. I hope all of you have understood. See, after this consumer wants to increase consumption of good Y. Consumption of good Y. See, consumption of good Y increases from 0 to 1. It means that, see, after this consumer can purchase. Suppose consumer is purchasing 1 unit of good Y. It means consumer can purchase 4 units of good X. Because, see, consumer income is limited. Then after, suppose consumer is purchasing 2 units of good Y, then consumer can purchase 3 units of good X. Then after 3 units of good Y means consumer can purchase 2 units of good X. Suppose consumer is purchasing 4 units of good Y, means consumer can purchase 1 unit of good X. And suppose here consumer is purchasing 5 units of good Y, it means consumer is spending entire money on good Y, means consumer can purchase means consumer can purchase 0 unit, means consumer cannot purchase any unit of, we can say no unit of good X. I hope all of you have understood how will you make this type of table. Suppose you are taking here total income of consumer is rupee 20. Suppose you are taking here value rupee 20. It means you will take value according to 20, means you will take price of good X and good Y according to 20. Suppose you are taking here income of a consumer is rupee 20, then you will take here after this price of good X and good Y is rupee 4 each unit, or you can take here rupee 5 each unit. Suppose if you take here rupee 4 each unit, means consumer can purchase according to 20 maximum 5 units. Suppose if you take here rupee 5 each unit, means consumer can purchase maximum 4 units. So all of you have understood. It's up to you. You can take any value of income and you will take price of good X, means price of good 1 and price of good 2 according to consumer income. I hope all of you understood. See, money spent means income. See, what is the budget line equation? Px into Qx plus Py into Qy. See, Px means price of X is commodity rupee 2 each, and price of Yx is commodity rupee 2 each, means price of both goods are same. See, now see here, consumer is purchasing 5 units of good X, means Px means x-axis, Px means x-axis. So you know that, always remember good X and good Y. See, now Px means price. See, 5 units of quantity of x-axis. Quantity means quantity of good X. See, quantity of good X means 5 units, and price of good X means rupee 2 each into 2 plus. See, quantity of good Y means 0 unit, and price of good Y means rupee 2. 5 into 2 plus 0 into 2 0. So 5 into 2 means is equal to 10. See, units of good X 4 and price of good X means 2, plus 1 unit of good Y and price of good Y means 2. See here 10. So you will calculate all value, means you will calculate consumer income at different level of combination in this way. See here this line, cost of each combination exactly income of the consumer. Cost of each combination. See in table, cost of A combination rupee 10, cost of B combination rupee 10, cost of C combination is rupee 10, cost of D combination is rupee 10, cost of E combination rupee 10, cost of F combination is rupee 10. I hope all of you have understood meaning of this line. See, budget line refers to graphical representation of all possible, means all means, again I am repeating definition of budget line. Budget line refers to graphical representation of all possible, we can say all various combination of two goods which can be bought with given income, means limited income, and price such that you can say, and cost of each combination, cost of each combination exactly income of the consumer, means cost of a combination should be equal to cost of B combination is equal to cost of C combination is equal to cost of D combination is equal to cost of E combination is equal to cost of F combination. I hope all of you have understood this schedule. First of all, you will write definition of budget line, and you know that slope of budget line is equal to means MRE. MRE means marginal rate of exchange, and what is the formula of MRE? Is equal to PX upon PY. PX means price of X axis commodity price, and PY means price of Y axis commodity price. See, after this you will show diagram. You will show diagram of budget line. After this you will show diagram of budget line. See, you know that you will always take sacrifice good on the y-axis. Always remember this rule. You will always take sacrifice good on the y-axis and gain good on the x-axis. Gain good on the x-axis. See, now after this you will show diagram or value of all these combination, value of all these combinations. See here, value of a combination is 5 units of good X and 0 unit of good Y. See, 5 units of good X and see good Y put on X axis means 0 unit of good Y. So you will show point there, you can say you will put point there. See, after this value of B combination, 4 units of good X and 1 unit of good Y. 1 unit of good Y, 1 unit of good Y and 4 units of good V. Then after 2 units of good Y and 3 units of good X, 3 units of good Y, 2 units of good X, 4 units of good Y, 1 unit of good X, and 5 units of good Y and 0 unit of good X. Then after you will join all these points. Then after you will join all these points, you will get budget line. You will get budget line. See, budget line is straight line. Budget line is straight line means, and suppose if I am saying this budget line is straight line, means slope of budget line is a constant. Slope of budget line is a constant. That's why I am saying here budget line is straight line. Suppose I am saying here budget line is convex to the origin. Budget line is convex to the origin. It means that slope of budget line will decrease. Slope of budget line will decrease. Suppose if I am saying this budget line is concave to the origin. Budget line is concave to the origin. It means slope of budget line will increase. Slope of budget line will increase. But see here in this diagram, presently this diagram is straight line. This diagram is straight line, or you can say downward straight line, means budget slope of budget line is constant. Slope of budget line is constant means MRE. MRE is a constant. I hope all of you have understood definition of budget line, schedule of